So the farmers who've been protesting against the new farm laws, they're raising the stakes. They've also not just given an ultimatum to the centre, they're saying that they will now stage a Bharat Bandh on December 8th. The farmers have threatened to intensify their agitation and also block more roads leading to Delhi if the government does not accept their demands. Meanwhile, support continues to pour in for the farmers. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee spoke to these agitating farmers and assured full support to their cause. In Tamil Nadu, the DMK will be holding a statewide protest, with DMK Chief M.K. Stalin leading this agitation in Salem district. In Bihar, the Mahagathbandhan will protest at Patna's Gandhi Maidan, with CPI leaders planning to block roads in Patna. Meanwhile, you've got 6 entry and exit points to the national capital remaining blocked as farmers' agitation continues. The National Highway 44 has been closed on both sides now. Yesterday, we did see massive traffic snarls being reported at the Delhi-Noida flyover due to these closures. All eyes are on today's meet. If the government fails to convince the farmers, we will see this agitation becoming long drawn along Delhi's borders.
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੁਝ ਨਵੇਂ ਫੈਸਲੇ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਥੇਬੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਏ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 5 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੋਦੀ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਟ ਘਰਾਣਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਪੁਤਲੇ ਫੂਕੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 5 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਟ ਘਰਾਣੇ ਤੇ ਮੋਦੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਪੁਤਲੇ ਫੂਕੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ 7 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਮੈਡਲ ਮਿਲੇ ਆ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਵੀਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਆਪਦੇ ਮੈਡਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਵਾਪਸ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਔਰ 8 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ ਪੂਰਨ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਬੰਦ ਦਾ ਸੱਦਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਭਾਰਤ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਵਾਂਗੇ
8 तारीख में हम भारत बंद का हमने ऐलान किया है पूरे देश में हम बंद करेंगे और उसके बाद हम आगे इसमें एक बड़ा मास मूवमेंट क्योंकि ये जो एक सरकार ने जो भ्रम फैला रखा कि केवल पंजाब हरियाणा का किसानी है ये अगर फिजिकल प्रेजेंस ही चाहते हैं उन किसानों की तो हम उनको लाना शुरू करेंगे प्रदेश वाइज यहाँ दिल्ली में।
जो भारत बंद का ऐलान किसानों ने किया है उसके समर्थन में देश के सभी किसान संगठन और सारे किसान इसका समर्थन करेंगे, वो भारत बंद करके दिखाएंगे।
Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live this morning from the Ghazipur border, which has been seeing protests from day one. Aishwarya, if the government had hoped that, in about 5 to 6 days, the protest would die down, that's most definitely not the case. We've instead been seeing things only aggravate, things only escalate as more and more farmers are coming together now.
Well, definitely here at the Ghazipur border, we are seeing how in the past 12 hours, just last night too, a lot of farmers from the adjoining state of Uttar Pradesh too have joined in the protest. From what you see here, the number of trucks have definitely increased. The people on ground too, the number has increased many folds, which is a very clear signal to the central government. The farmers want to present a united front. They also want to say it's not just farmers from Punjab and Haryana, but farmers from other states too are now standing and they are united. That's what the farmers want to say. Now all eyes at the 2 p.m. very crucial meeting. The farmers here at Ghazipur also tell us they are ready to fight if need be for the next 6 months. So that is something which might be a cause of concern for the government. This road has been blocked, which means commuters from Uttar Pradesh cannot come to the national capital. And if talks don't go the way the farmers expect them to go today, we can expect other highways to be blocked in a similar manner, Akshita.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you for joining us with that update. The farmers also threatening that they will be staging a protest across the country on December 8th. So there is added pressure on the government to immediately find a solution.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.